All right. Up arrow, increase volume.
Last one, click, and that would be it. Now to add a plus sign, you need to press down your shift key on the keyboard.
Down
and then
arrow,
press the
decrease
plus sign
volume.
to be able to add your plus sign. Okay, so click button, enter.
Left arrow, rewind 5 seconds. Look here, rewind 5 seconds, left arrow. So let's go. Rewind 5 seconds, rewind backwards. Okay. Right arrow forward 5 seconds. If you press more than once, then you're going to forward more times. So right arrow, look here. See, moves 5 seconds interval. Key J, rewind 10 seconds backwards. So I'm gonna press to rewind. See where this is. So I will press the J key to rewind. Just look here, it's rewinding. J key to rewind 10 seconds backwards. So you rewind. And that's where we are starting the tutorial. Now to fast forward, key L, fast forward 10 seconds. So I'm going to play this. So key L, let's fast forward this. So it's going to fast forward. Look here and see how this is moving. Key L, fast forward 10 seconds. See there. So 10 seconds forward, we can do that. And fast forward, and that's it. To pause, you press the space key, pause, press again to resume, pause, space key. To mute or unmute, you press the M key, so key M. Unmute.
In Excel, you still use the plus sign.
M key press, mute. To get full screen, you press key F. Full screen, key F. Key C, toggle captions, C. It goes off. Captions,